Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite icon Changu Judy. Yeah, so come and spend the weekend with me. So this is Friday morning and I was just like feeling the fresh air. I was kind of like really soothing and I was just like, oh God, thank you very much for waking up. Oh guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, when you get up in the morning, it's always good to thank God because many people go to bed and they don't wake up. So it's always good to be grateful. So I was thanking God for making me to see another day. And I have to start doing sport, guys. Like I put on some weight. The holidays, the festive holiday was like I really put on some weight. So like I'm back to sport. Now, if you know me too well, you know that I'm a tea lover. Like I love green tea with no sugar. So this is me writing my itinerary for the day. I'm really organized person. Yep, and I got like hungry. My lunch, I had to do Indomie. This is my new favorite thing, Indomie. I had some Indomie for lunch, and kind of I just stay indoors. And then this was I had a command to do a meat pie. This is the next morning, Saturday morning, and guys, there was no light. I had to manage with my tripod and my ring light to film. So this is me baking. It's giving. You see the meat, right? Are you seeing the meat in the meat pie? So I don't bake with. I don't have an oven, so I bake on the stove using a pot. If you want to see a tutorial, I bake on the oven, on the stove. Let me know. I'm going to make a tutorial of it. So see my meat pie. See how it's giving. My customer was very satisfied. So later in the day, I wanted to eat hot pot. I don't know how to describe it. It's Irish potato that I have to boil and fry, and then you do all the. So this is me, oh my poor life. Please, I know there's no lot of particles, but please, I'm cutting my coat according to my size. Thank you very much. So this is me. This is my my hot pot. Delicious as in delicious. Very.